Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a kid account to Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So head over to the top left and here you will find the accounts and profiles I have already. So these two is a normal account, the first and the second. So to add a kid account, click on this button, the add icon, and you're going to see add a kid. Click on add a kid and this will show you welcome parents and ask you to get started. After clicking on get started, you see this asking who is setting up the profile for kids. So I'm using DaveTech to set up the profile for the kid, and now you have to add the kid that's watching. So click on add a kid and you find initializing. Ensure your network connection is good or else this would take some time, but basically the steps are to choose the account which is going to add the kid, and you come here now and click on add a kid. So this will load up and give you the ability to add a Google account, which is a kid's Google account. And when you add that account, you're going to have the ability to see the account as a profile. So the first step, get started, just running through it again. The second step, assign the parent account or the account that's creating the kid's account. So when you assign that, then the last step is to choose the kid that's going to be watching. So this will add just one kid. Over time, you could add multiple kid accounts if you have more kid profiles you want or more kids that you want to watch with Onn TV. So if you click on add a kid, this will bring you to a page where you go to Google and Google will enable you, it's online, Google will enable you actually create that kid account. So it'll be a kid's Google account where you could have parental controls. As you can see, it's loaded, it got the data, it's authenticating, and now the next thing you do is to add the kid account. So it will be a creation process. If you don't have a kid account already, you go through the creation process and create the kid account. So you create a kid account and that account will have parental control, and the account that will oversee the account will be the account you choose as a parent account. Remember in the second step. So in my case, the DaveTech account is going to control that subsidiary account, this one right here. So after get started, you click on this DaveTech. This DaveTech account is going to oversee this account. So when you click on the kid, this is going to create it's going to take you to the page where you create the kid's account or choose a kid account, which is a Google parental control account. So just ensure you follow the process to the end. Follow those steps. I've repeated a good number of times so you understand how it works step by step. At this point in time, all you need to do is create the account from Google, and that parental control account will be under the account you chose under the second step. And when that is done, you're going to be able to see it as a profile. And whenever the kids come on board, you could select their various restrictions, permissions, the content that is best for them, and they're going to be able to watch only that type of content. So it's going to let you create personalization. You personalize the space for the kids with access to the particular content you want them to watch or content that they love, and the tools that will help you to keep control. So when you come back, you're going to find that account right here outlined with these ones, and the kids are going to watch only on that profile. That is it for adding a kid account. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.